Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. My name is Quentin Gooden and this is my Mazda MX-5 Miata. Today we are going to have a nice drive through my neighborhood, my new neighborhood. If you guys watched the last video I made, I actually moved into these really nice area. Actually one of the nicest places in my state. And it's been a long time coming. I've been wanting to make this video for a long time. So today we're going to take my Miata and we're going to cruise through the mountains of some of the nicest areas in my state. It's really been like a dream come true living here. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm really grateful for the opportunity to finally be able to do this. If you guys are wondering, the Miata's doing fine. For the ones who know, I crashed this car about a month and a half ago. We got it driving straight, but the alignment's still out, so I don't really drive it out of the city. But I got a parts list, and it's about everything's going to be about $200. So I'm going to go ahead and get that dealt with. And the Miata be all good. I think I'm going to keep this car for one more year after I repair it. And think I'm finally going to move on to something else. I'm hoping to get everything that I want by next year, because there's a couple of new daily drivers that I want to get as well. And I'm thinking about getting a motorcycle. Yeah, I'm thinking about selling the Miata to get me a motorcycle. I don't know how that's going to go, but I think it'll be pretty cool in all honesty. Especially cruise around this town. This town would be perfect for a motorcycle. I'll make a video telling you guys about my future plans when it comes to these vehicles, because I've been planning for a while. I finally came to a consensus of the vehicles that I want to get. Things have changed a lot over the last week, to be honest with you. Moving to this neighborhood, getting everything moved in, and I'm pretty much settled in now. I'm used to it. I've been wanting to move to this area for years now. For those who don't know, I've been working at Chrysler. I used to work at a Chrysler dealership around this area for about a little over 2 years. I ended up getting laid off, and I really missed this area ever since. So I was finally able to, thanks to working with Ford, I was finally able to save up money and earn good enough salary to actually move here. I used to actually just come here every weekend whenever I was off work. But now I live here, so dang, I almost stalled it. I'm so used to driving the Civic. There's a really good scenic route through here. And this isn't even like the best roads either. An estate sale nearby. I might have to come back over there and check it out. Yeah, I don't carry cash anyway, so. In this neighborhood, you're going to see a lot of luxury cars. This being a really rich area. But one of the things I really like about this area the most is all the classic cars you see. You see a lot of classics. There's this 930 Porsche 911 that I'll see running around here, and man, is that thing mean. You see a lot of exotics here too. And you know what? You see a lot of Miatas too. Miatas are really common here, especially NAs. I think I've seen more NAs here than I've seen in my hometown. And this is pretty much the cheapest Miata you can get. Most of the running ones are around $4,000. Well, at least since they blew up in price, I managed to get this one for $15,000 back in 2020. Best $15,000 I've ever spent, I'll tell you that. Still drives nice. I'm not going to put too many miles on it. This is the road I wanted to get on. I actually forgot how close this road was, actually. I used to take this road going back home because it led right towards that highway. I can go get home through that highway. I honestly forgot how close this road actually was. I've always dreamed of driving this road in a convertible. And ever since I got the Miata, I've been able to do it. Been driving this road for 3 years in this car. But one car that I've always wanted to drive this road in is an Abarth 500 Cabriolet. I've always envisioned myself driving one of those. Not much traffic today because I think everyone's at church right now. This is actually probably the emptiest I've ever seen this road, in all honesty. So That has to be why. It's like 9:44 in the morning on Sunday. They're probably all at church. We got a whole golf course over there, country club. It's a really beautiful area. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I love this area. It's always been a dream to move here, especially since I found out they actually had affordable apartments here. There we go. Now I finally get stopped by an NPC, a Toyota Camry. But yeah, you gotta get yourself a topless car and drive through here. It's a really, really amazing experience just driving through these mountains. You'll see a lot of people exercising here. A lot of people riding bicycles. Whoops, downshifting into the wrong gear. Yeah, Miata is a tank. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Even after all the stuff that's happened, as long as I've had it, this thing is still going strong. It's developed an oil leak as of late. But I'm going to have that taken care of whenever I get everything else dealt with. I'm going to have everything done at the same time. Once I get all the mechanical stuff done, I'm going to start working on the body again. I'm going to get that back finish panel, see if I can get one of those from eBay or something like that. Or from Moss Miata. And then I'm going to finally get it repainted. Might get Mako to do it. And then all I have to do is just enjoy it. But almost 174,000 miles, and it still drives perfectly. Good oil pressure, coolant stays level. I actually put a new radiator in it. Well, it ain't new anymore, but had a radiator put in 2020. Man, this time fly by. But yeah, Miata's perfect for just cruising around towns like this and exploring places you've never been. And that's really what I like the most about it. Another reason why I'm wanting to move here too is that the racetrack, Barber Motorsports, is literally like probably about 5 miles away. 5 or 6 miles away from where I live at. And that's pretty awesome. When I get back racing after I get another daily driver, I will definitely be on that. Well, guys, the rest of this drive is pretty much just going to be straight roads. So I think I'm just going to end it here. If you guys like the video and you want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys next time. I do promise to bring some more good content, especially now that I live in an actual fun area when it comes to being a car person, because my old town was pretty much the ghetto, and there really ain't nothing to do there. I have to drive 30 minutes to get up here just to have fun, and now I don't have to do that anymore. So hopefully I can get some more interesting content out, and I'll see you guys next time.